Modes of transfer of heat. As we know, the heat always flows from higher temperature to lower temperature when the two bodies are at different temperature and placed in contact. The flow of heat will continue till both the bodies are at same temperature. Basically, there are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. We can understand the three types of transfer of heat by simple analogy. Let's assume a teacher is distributing an apple to each of the student. Now teacher can follow three ways to distribute the apple. In the first way, teacher give apple to the first student of the row who can keep one apple with him or her and passes to the rest of the apple to the next student, and next student follows the same, and so on till the apple reaches to the last student. The first method is analogous to conduction. Now let's see the second way. In this way, teacher can ask each student to come to him one by one, following single path. Student can take one apple and can return to his or her seat through another path. This method of apple distribution is analogous to convection. Let's see the third way. In this way, the teacher can throw an apple towards the students and will ask him to catch. This method is analogous to radiation. Let's first see the conduction. It's a process in which the heat transfers from hot end to cold end, from particle to the particle of the medium. Hence, a medium is required for transfer of heat by conduction. This process is mainly for transfer of heat in solids. The process is followed in liquids and gases up to some extent for heat transfer. If we take a metal rod and hold it at one end and the other end of the rod, we can provide the heat by the burner. After some time, we will feel that rod is heated at our end also. The reason that the rod is heated at our end also is the heat passes from one end of the rod to the other end of the rod, that is from burner end to our end. This transfer of heat is through the particles of the rod by conduction. Now, the second mode of transfer of heat is convection. This type of heat transfer takes place by the actual movement of the particles of the medium. This type of heat transfer mainly takes place in liquids and gases, since in the solids particles cannot change their position. In convection, the heat transfer is always vertically upwards. The particle near the source of heat, after absorbing heat, starts moving faster, medium expands, and hence the density of the medium near the source decreases. The less dense medium, being lighter, rises up, and the denser medium from the above comes down to replace the lighter medium. Hence the convection current sets up in the medium. Now the third one is radiation. It is the process of heat transfer in which the heat directly passes from one body which is at higher temperature to the another body at the lower temperature without affecting the medium. This type of heat transfer doesn't require medium. Hence, in vacuum, heat can transfer by radiation. Heat radiations are also known as thermal radiations. They travel in the straight line having the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in the vacuum or air. In this process, all three types of heat transfer can be seen. Thanks for watching.